I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the TV and switching to the input your console or PC uses. Once done, make sure you have the Vizio Remote or Smart Cast app ready. The procedure works with either. Press Menu or the gear icon to open settings, then navigate to Picture or System. These are the sections where game mode lives. You're initiating the change. Don't adjust unrelated picture presets yet. This step sets up the path, so the TV will accept the low latency profile you need for responsive gameplay. Now go into Picture Settings and locate Picture Mode or Advanced Picture. Select Game Mode from the list. On some Vizio models, Game Mode appears when an HDMI input declares a gaming device, so pick the input first. Confirm any prompts to apply changes. After enabling, tweak supporting options. Lower motion enhancement and turn off noise reduction or extra processing because those add input lag. Make sure HDR or brightness options remain suitable for visibility, but prioritize responsiveness over extra processing for a clean game feel. Finish by testing responsiveness. Load a game and press buttons to confirm reduced lag. If you don't see game mode, go to System and check for firmware updates. Manufacturers add features via updates. If problems persist, swap HDMI cables or try another HDMI port. Some ports are labeled for full bandwidth. You can also reset picture settings to defaults and re-enable game mode. If input lag remains high, restart the TV and console, then repeat the steps. One targeted change usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.